What's going on, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the channel where we talk passive income, crypto, stocks, and affiliate marketing. Today we're about to be talking about stocks in just a minute. But I was just up tonight and I was just checking out my stocks. I haven't checked them in a while, so it looked and it didn't look too good. So I'm going to probably be making some changes. So I want to let you guys know that it's pretty much this. I normally don't make changes like this off of on a whim. But because of what I see and because of the video we're going to watch after this, I'm going to show you guys why I'm going to be making changes to one of my stock portfolios here sometime in the next couple of days. Let me see. Let me find I have so many doggone things here. Crypto, social, the stocks. I'm going to go to Robinhood because I like Robinhood because Robinhood is pretty much, the easiest to use. It's very simple. And as you can see right there on the screen, it's down $14.77% for the day for all of my stocks. For the week, you can see it's kind of almost flatline. When I first saw this, I was like, did something happen today? Did Putin destroy Ukraine? I mean, did something happen over there? Because normally it doesn't fall off the map like this. And this is like for the week. As you can see, at the top of the week, it was somewhere around 2007, 2008. And right now we're at 1897, and it looks like as you can see at the end, it's still going down. For the month, we're down $113, which is 5.65%. For 3 months, we are down 2%, $339.52. And for the year, we are down $6.15. So I was looking at that and I was like, man, what happened? Normally when I see that, what I would do is I was going to check all of my stocks just to see if I had most of the times you'll have a lot of your stocks will be in the negative, but you have maybe a couple that'll be in the positive. So as I scroll down, and pretty much the buying power is just the money I've earned from holding certain stocks. As you can see, when I looked earlier, every last one of my stocks was in the negative, and this is something I've never seen. I'm not sure if it's happened before. If it has, I've never seen it. Even the crypto is, you can see everything that I have is pretty much underwater right now. So what I'm going to do here in just a second, we're going to watch a quick video and we're going to try to see what has happened recently, because I didn't see anything in the news. I didn't see anything that I saw that would make this happen. So we're going to watch a video and see what's going on in the stock market today. Let's go ahead and pull up that video. This was a day ago. I think it was another one today, but let's go ahead and check this one out. I do like that ticker he has in the background. If you look, he has his own little he has his own little Wall Street ticker going on in the background. Stock mode TV is going on in the back, or screens with all of his little promotions going on. I like how he has that set up right there.
Hopefully you can make a lot of cash. Now, with that being said, we're going to talk about we're going to look at this market, see how ugly it got, where I think some money could rotate into, as well as Fed say, because they're basically driving this market. They are absolutely tearing this thing up. They're out there talking 50 basis points, or you're talking 75 basis points. But what is going to happen? Are we going to have a stock market crash? They drop an additional 20% from here.
That's one of the things I don't want to happen, because then most of you guys know I'm still going to have money in the stock market, but what I may end up doing is taking some out and putting it in another investment, just for the meantime, until things maybe go up or get better. Then I may bring it back in, depending on what happens. So if it's going to crash, because right now I've never seen all of my stocks, and I pick up a variety of stocks. I don't have all the stocks in the same sectors. I don't have I have Vanguard. I have like oil stocks. I have insurance stocks. I pretty much have a variety of stocks. And I also have a couple stocks that invest in pretty much everything, and it seems like everything is underwater. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on with these stocks here today.
Cover all of those. Now, before you get into it, take advantage of the moo down below. Of course, get yourself up to 6 free stocks. Hit the deposit level. Take advantage of it. It's a great opportunity. Of course, I got Gemini.
Yeah, that's one of the things I like about his channel. I do have channels that I follow, that I watch, and I learn more and more about stocks. I try to learn something every single day. One of the things I try to do is read a book. I try to learn at least 1% every day about something, even if it's not about stocks and crypto and passive income. I try to learn something about, I'm married. I've been married about 20 years, if I didn't say anything. So I still try to learn about relationships. So I'm trying to learn every single day, and this is one of the channels that I follow. And as you can see, he's showing his progress on the screen, and he does this normally. He said at the end of the videos, and he normally gives you stocks that he would invest in. He sometimes will talks about penny stocks and quite a few other things. But just back to his video.
Just to show how bad it was. Now I have it in here. We can take a look. For those wondering, it was bad. I think it was only down like 1%. Now you're seeing it down only 3.75%. And we are buying on Monday. Just for everyone wondering, I am buying all these stocks again on Monday. But you can see the S&P 500 down 3.75%. Continue to dollar cost average. But the market this year is actually down 10.4%. We are beating the market, if you will. We would have put it all in the beginning of the year. Dollar cost averaging, our goal is to beat 3.75. Now the conservative, I told you, I absolutely feel like we will beat that. You're seeing 1.92. We are beating it. I do believe as the Fed gets those rates.
And for those of you who hadn't figured it out, dollar cost averaging is pretty much like he has a certain amount that he's buying every single period that he sets up. Sometimes it's once a week. Yeah, it looks like it's every week. He's pretty much buying he's buying a certain amount of money, certain amount of this particular stock, or every week he's buying one of these stocks. So that's why I have mine. I actually have mine set up on auto draft, where every 2 weeks I have a certain stock. For every 2 weeks I have something coming out going into that particular section of the of my financial portfolio. So this is pretty much how you dollar cost average, and that's one of the reasons why I like Robinhood, is because with Robinhood you don't have to have the $100. You can pretty much start off with $5 if that's what you have. You can start off probably with $1, but that's the way you can dollar cost average. You can buy one stock and buy another stock, and even on my portfolio, there was one of the stocks I have that's like $6 per stock per stock, and I have some of those as well. So I have dollar penny, what he calls the penny stocks, and I have multiple stocks that's just in my portfolio that I try to take advantage of. Well, let's see what he's talking about with his dollar cost averaging here.
We're going to see profits for some of these financials go through the roof. Expect them to explode higher. I have this loaded up with a lot of financials and recession-proof stocks. So if you're trying to wonder, hey, wonder what kind of stocks you lay into if we trying to avoid. It doesn't even mean we're going to have a recession. I personally think we probably will, but I know some of the pros out there are giving like a 1 out of 3 chance. We'll see. I can prepare for it with some of these stocks, and because of the rate hikes, I still should be able to do very well. If there is a recession, we'll see play into that. We'll find out. I hope there's not, because the market will do better without it. So here we go. And then we can take a look at the aggressive. Look at this, 19% down, absolutely hammered. Look at the drafting, 44% down, 46% down, so 36 for Etsy, 30 for Lucy, 29% for Neo. Just
And even with his portfolio, you can see pretty much all of his stocks, except for, it looks like Tesla. It looks like Tesla is the only one that pretty much does not have a loss. Pretty much all of them are losses. And it's not just small losses. They're all big losses. So it's not anything small in his particular small losses. He's pretty much still dollar cost averaging in. He says he's going to do the exact same thing Monday. So I'm assuming he's going to spend. You can't see it right there, but I would say it's probably about $1,400, and that's why he's doing a small amount, because he's dollar cost averaging, getting a little bit here, a little bit there. At the same time, he's diversifying. He has Tesla. There's like 2 Teslas. He has one here and one here. Etsy. It's like Nvidia. I'm not familiar with most of these ticker symbols. This may be, I'm not sure what it is, but as you can see, he has a lot of different stocks in his portfolio, and that's what I do as well. I have multiple stocks in my portfolio. Back to the video.
couple 20% here with Upstart Mass. It is ugly out there. A lot of these stocks, like I said, the growth stocks, are going to take a big hit, and you're going to continue to see these hits as the Fed gets more aggressive. And until you don't, and what I mean by that is that you should be able to see a nice growth.
bad, not bad.
I can take leading all my portfolios for YouTube. I have a lot of other portfolios down here. If you want to see all them, come on over to
And as you can see, he's really invested into all the portfolios that he has at the bottom of the screen. Let me rewind for a second. You can see he has like a lot of different. He has YouTube, aggressive, conservative, crypto. So as you can see, he has a lot invested into stocks and crypto. So this is something that he does I would say every single day. He's pretty much involved and has his ears to the ground. That's why I want to go to his channel to see exactly what was going on with the stock, because I know mine was getting, I don't have any one of my stocks that are in a positive. He has at least some that are positive and some that are negative. Mine isn't even balanced out. It's pretty much all red.
I have a lot of other portfolios down here. If you want to see all them, come on over to Patreon, check them out. We got a great community over there, positive, lots of great people. You get to see my buys and sells and shoot the breeze with us in the private business. I highly recommend that link to see them. So, what happened to the market? It's absolutely ugly. Dow Jones 2.82, S&P 500 2.77% down, Nasdaq 2.5.
Yeah, that's crazy. Normally, you don't see Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq all down in the same day. You normally see one down, or maybe even two at the most. But I can't remember a time seeing all three down. So I don't think that's a good thing. I don't know what NIO is, but that's up. But it's not. Even if you look at it, it's not up by a lot. It's plus a penny, and it's up 0.05%. It's positive, but it's I guess that beats being negative. But you know.
And of course, the Russell, not to be left out, 2.55. Look at the VIX. I mean, remember what I told you about the VIX? When we look at this is the fear thing. I told you anytime I see it at 28 or higher, right? 28 or higher, that's an buy. Anytime I see it get to 30, that's extreme buy. So we're almost in the extreme buy, and I am going to purchase next week. And it's going to be a 5 figures kind of purchase in my retirement account and cash here, waiting for a big red day. I was hoping it didn't happen, but here we are. It did have some back on the sideline. I'm going to be taking advantage of it. I'm going to load up on those ones. See exactly what's going on with it at a particular moment in time. So, take a look at what do we got here? That was the VIX, and it's up 28. Will we get back up there in the 30s? Maybe if we have a bad week next week. I thought, when I look at the S&P 500, I'll give you an idea where I'm at. When we look at this, you see, look at the 5-day moving 2.71% down. Now we're going to come back to this one. Dow Jones is down 2%. Not that bad compared. And then compared to the Dow Jones. Nasdaq absolutely hammered 3.47%. And then, of course, the Russell 2.7%. So it looks like the Nasdaq, of course, with attacking all that in there, leads the way. Now the S&P 500, people ask me, where do you see this ugly cycle? Down, and a lot of things getting priced in.
Yeah, this is almost how my portfolio looks when you look at mine. Mine is kind of up and down, and go up, and it's right now it's pretty much down here, and it's staying down here. I understand that there's a chance for potential growth for it after that, after all of the stuff probably goes away. He's saying he thinks by the time the Feds are done doing what they're doing, that it could shoot back up. But what I'm probably going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take some of the money that I have, and I'm going to put it into the COTPS system that I've been talking about on my channel. So most of you who don't know, I do have money in multiple places. The stocks is just one of them. I also have money in crypto. I'm thinking about making a couple moves. I may or may not. I'm not sure yet. But I know into the stocks, I'm going to take some of the stocks and I'm going to see about transferring some of that into those TPS. This is another one of my crypto accounts. I may move this as well. It's just a small amount. It's just sitting there. So I may move this well into the COTPS system just to see if I can multiply that. And then I'll come back to Robinhood. Let's see. On Robinhood, see, everything is red. Red, 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 red. Come back to the top. I stick to $17 buying power. I was going to buy another stock with that, but that's one of the reasons I was looking at it. Looking at the stocks today. I just so happened to see that I had $17. I was like, okay, maybe I can come down here and buy one of the stock. I think it's a USOI stock. This particular stock is $5.50. It's pretty much $5.50 a share. That was one of those kind of like penny stocks. It looks kind of weird the way it's shaped on this down. This is where it's squiggly square up. I mean, that looks kind of weird to me, but you know, it is what it is. I was gonna come down and use that particular money and add a couple more of these, just to have some more shares of the USIO. But right now, I'm just gonna hold it. And the total I have right now is $18.96. I may take out 500 and then put that into the COTPS system, and we just roll with it from there. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you staying all the way to the end. If you stayed to the end, you're an absolute trooper. I appreciate you. Don't forget me, give me that element. Especially hit the like and the subscribe button for more content. Thank you for watching. It's the Passive Income Trucker. I am out.